A warm welcome to the latest newsletter from Trade the Easy Way. Hello traders, this is Mike Hamilton for Trade the Easy Way, and a good day in the markets. I haven't traded this Euro US dollar, and I'm suggesting again that you stay away from this. We've got US GDP tomorrow, so tomorrow is going to be very, very telling. This is well and truly stuck in a tight range, this Euro US dollar. 350 to 130 is the range, and we are just under the middle of that. So let's go to the indices. We still have 10 minutes to go, but the Dow's done well. This is what I was suggesting was going to happen over the weekend. Despite even on Monday, I was suggesting that all we've done is come and touch this key moving average down here, and we are close to the breakdown area from Thursday. So I would keep buying pullbacks, and if you bought a pullback today, you'd be about over 100 pips up from a setup earlier in the session. So these markets are looking good. Let's just see if the GDP figure can sustain that and hold that up. This is the weekly chart. This is what I was talking about the weekend, where I was talking about this key trend line down here. And the lower this week has pinpointed that trend line, and we are smack on this resistance level, this high from May last year. So typically, as you go into a big day today, a tier 1 data, key level of data, then this is what you will see. And we're bumping our heads right up against that resistance level, having hit the support level at the low. Okay, so if you stay tuned to these videos and you use the data I'm giving you, then there is a decent chance. Let's go to the US dollar yen. I've been in this a couple of days, getting some pips under my belt, not a lot, but I like this support. This is a good reversal pattern. I just need this to close above at least 150 if this is going to work. Great chart pattern. If it does get towards 240, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 hits of that trend line. The more hits you get, the weaker that trend line gets. So if that trend line is hit again, I would anticipate that will break. So in the members trading room, we are looking at how to maximize that, and even in hedging it. In the Euro session today, I was hedging it and making good money. If you go to, actually I'll just show you my live trades today. This is one of the trades today where I've got, you can see, no you can't see, it's not in the picture, hang on a second. That's better. So you can see at this point I was making 18, 19 pips. My target was 20 pips, and I've taken this out here, but obliterated these levels, but to show my position. But let's just say I did pretty well. That was in the Euro session for 20 pips, so plus 20 in the Euro. Here's my trade in the US session. So I took this screen dump just before I was about to get out for 20 pips. And later in the day, I think it came back to test this level, and I suspect we're up here. Alright, but check that for yourselves. Okay, so not a bad day in the markets. Got my 20 pips for each session and staying away. Let's look at oil. A lot of news on oil. Very, very technical play. Big markets like oil. That's that. How technical can you get? That is very. If we pull back to 76 tomorrow, you might want to swing trade that. Get your stop under 44.20 and see if that can get up to 52. But this could be, if this breaks out and holds, we could go all the way back up to 60 plus. I think the mean average for oil is about 70, 75 if we can start to make a move. So we've had a good run off of a double bottom there, pull back, getting pinched in this apex, and now we could break out. Right, we don't know we're going to break out hard, but it's well worth buying a pullback and seeing how we go. I do hope that helps. The recording of Scalper School Introduction is going to be in the email here. Otherwise, look on the forum page of the website, grab a look at that because it's interesting. And if you want to know more, then let me know. All right, thanks for now, and see you soon in the next update.